Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a pencil. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw two parallel lines. Now draw a curve on the top for the eraser. Now the band. Now draw a triangle for the lead. Draw a zigzag line here and a wavy line. Now let's draw eyes, nose and mouth. Now using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. And then erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.